I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. We talked about this idea as a possibility. You saw this price action ran up into this resistance, got rejected, long wick reversal idea. Now, Bitcoin's down here at the support level. Support needs to hold. Potentially, if it doesn't, you could see some more downside out of Bitcoin. We're going to zoom in to the 4-hour time frame and understand that Bitcoin's been in this rising channel for an extended period of time. Now, the bulls need to hold this support level, the lower trend line for sure, right? You've got this trend line down here on the RSI. You want to see the bulls hold this to prevent more downside. If this breaks lower, 40,500 is the measured move. This is a Bitcoin 2-hour chart. So we zoom in, just like here. You have this falling wedge, 68% chance it breaks higher, and it does, right? We get explosive move higher over some time. Now here we are again, same scenario. Falling wedge, 68% chance this breaks higher. If this breaks lower, it will give a break of this rising channel, and then you're looking for a move, 44,000, potentially lower than that, like we talked about. 40,500 is the measured move of the rising channel. But bulls just need to show up here, put in a solid bounce. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin. I got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person is up to 470 since we took off again. 470,000, killing it. Listen, he says, yeah, this is insane, bro. Now I truly understand how money is made in bunches in this market. All the profits come at one time. You have to make it count. You have to go big. You do not want to miss the biggest financial opportunity of your lifetime trying to figure things out. This person up a $31,350 in 10 days after joining the group on the KuCoin setups. I post setups in group on KuCoin, gem picks. Totally different than what YouTube is, right? I post, and I want to go over a couple of them right here just in a second. We made, 50% gains on one recently, tons of upside in the trading group. If you are not making a ton of money right now, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups daily. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. I still have some PayPal spots open. If you want to pay for the year with PayPal money transfer, just email me and I'll give you the instructions so you can pay with PayPal money transfer for 1 year only. This is C98, up 304% in 5 days. We totally killed it on this setup. This 334% gains, 219% gains, 330% gains on Luna, 159% gains on Sol, 190%, 117%. Remember, I'm giving away $1,000 in Bitcoin at the end of the month. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free money. Let's go. I talked to you guys about this idea on the 22nd. Right? When you had this small head and shoulders. And essentially, you always assume that the price action continues in the pattern until it doesn't. So if it's up here at the upper trend line, right, then you have to assume at some point it's going to move to the lower trend line. Upper trend line, lower trend line, upper trend line, lower trend line. Here we are. Okay, so if this level didn't hold, you didn't get this bullish bounce, here we are, right? Look what happened. It's really that simple. You have to assume that this continues to happen until it doesn't. And essentially, if you're a short-term trader, imagine this. I mean, you're opening up long USDT paired altcoin positions at the bottom, and you're selling at the top, opening at the bottom, and you're selling at the top, opening at the bottom, right? And so, I mean, potentially over the month of August, you would have opened and closed positions a couple times. But if you're a midterm holder, you just have to ride with this stuff. Like 95% of the people in my trading group, they're not day traders. I don't want you guys to be day traders. Midterm hold these setups, they have tons of upside as long as Bitcoin is trending higher. This is important. Okay, so I just had Bolsa DX reach out and they've got their API set up now. They're super responsive to emails. The team's amazing. Listen, go to the VIP Bolsa DX link in the description. This gives you the ability to trade Binance coins wherever you live. All you need is an email address to sign up. That's it. Go up here, turn it on English, ready to rock. It looks exactly like Binance liquidity, right? I mean, look at all these trades flying in. It's the same thing. It runs on Binance Cloud. All right, I gave you guys Luna on the 22nd of August. 14,000 people saw this. Price discovery. These coins getting price discovery, and I've got a couple to talk to you about. I've got another video I'll probably try to get out later. Luna, price discovery, so you don't have a bunch of sellers overhead. But understand that even you get this 21% move out of Luna, right? And then it pulls back. And that's just how run-ups work. And when Bitcoin pulls back, what happens to the altcoins? The best altcoin setups in the world don't play out amazing if Bitcoin pulls back. Now, we found some small caps that have just been doing their own thing, and that's where you have to go. So we always find the winners. You just have to follow the money flow. This is LTX. So this was a gem pick. I posted in group. You had previous all-time high right here, breakout level. This thing's going parabolic, right? Posted it. Boom, 48% gains. Gem picks on KuCoin have been crazy, right? This is Horde. I gave it to you yesterday. 10,700 people saw this. Horde had 59% profits. Huge pump. Again, KuCoin gem picks. Make an account on KuCoin and trade these with us. Now, today's gem pick is not HNT. However, HNT does have potential upside. HNT is helium, right? It allows you to monetize your data. Essentially, you buy these miners, and again, this is the antenna. You see this person here, he's got it all stacked on books. You got the antenna, you expand the network, and you get paid in HNT by expanding the HNT network. Okay, and so again, people are super excited about this. Let's see what, and again, I've got a gem pick coming that could be the next HNT. Very similar ideas. But let's look at HNT first. HNT is up 21x since January. Okay, in 8 months, it's up 21x, 2,100%. Okay, it's outpaced a lot of the market. Now, if you look, you've got the previous all-time high, right, back here, where it was rejected. Now, this previous ceiling becomes the new floor. If you get a move down here, look to pick up HNT, because this price discovery, I'm telling you guys, this price discovery is something else. So you start to get these parabolic moves, and what happens is it'll form this new base up here and then continue higher, right? So keep an eye on HNT. But the gem pick is on KuCoin. Here it is. We're going to talk about Cirus. Cirus was KuCoin's gem pick. They're working on Web 3.0 and the ability to monetize your data. They onboarded the former Apple CEO as an advisor for the team, which is huge, obviously. Now, HNT is the closest and only competitor to Cirus. HNT has a $2.1 billion market cap. Cirus, and potentially it's grown a little bit since this post, but Cirus is at about 2.53, maybe 3.5 million, right? This person's saying 1,000x potential. Listen, I just want to get to 10x. What I do know is this is a new coin on KuCoin, and we've had tremendous success with these ideas, right? They've partnered with this multi-chain DEX, DFYN, for liquidity farming, okay? And so you're able to farm Cirus on this multi-chain DEX. Cirus is disrupting the big data industry with a functional hardware product that allows you to monetize your own data. So this has been 3 years in the making, right? They've got a bunch of executives from the tech industry on the team. And like I said, the former CEO of Apple. They stated, Michael Lucko and Daniel Bland, the co-founders of Cirus, they stated, we're going to be announcing significant size contracts in the millions, which will bring millions and millions of users onto their platform. Guaranteed, not aspirational, not if we can get them. So the ISPs are going to install these routers, they're stating. Each router requires up to 25 Cirus. So do the math. Essentially, like, they're guaranteeing adoption here and a use case. And so a lot of cryptos don't have that. And so let's see. I mean, obviously, things have to happen. Things have to be put in place. But this is a brand new project, brand new team, brand new. Take a look at the chart because it's bullish. It's bullish and it's moving right now. This is Cirus USDT on KuCoin, ready for another move higher. Listen, You've got this falling wedge, broke higher, falling wedge, looking for a break higher. What is this? A bigger pattern? This is an ascending triangle, right? This coin has a ton of upside. Looking for $1.14, $1.29, $1.50, $1.73, $1.89, potentially $2 over time. This is midterm hold idea, right? Assuming Bitcoin acts right. But I've been waiting on this coin, and it's ready to explode. Cirus USDT on KuCoin, today's gem pick. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.